Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, 4 of Swords, 6 of Swords, Death, and Queen of Wands. I think lots of you are in separation. They always treated you as an option. They suddenly ghosting you. And they neglecting you. Yeah, they are cold shouldering you, Capricorn. So you are healing. You are doing meditation to heal yourself, and you are taking rest. For some, you decided to move on from this person. It was one type of ending between you and your person. So let's see, we're reading recent past. Hangman, 5 of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. Yeah, they are not they were not treated you well in recent past. 5 of Pentacles. You feel like you are neglected by them. You are rejected by them. You are feeling in that way. You're feeling stuck. You don't like this energy anymore. But for some, a brand new person is already entered in your life, and this person have a lot of emotions for you, a lot of romantic feelings for you. Then present 6 of Wands, Devil, and Justice. You want justice in this connection. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life, and you are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. And one person in this connection could be a celebrity or very popular person, and they are obsessed with you or you are obsessed with them. There is some obsession, but this person is toxic for you. The Devil card is here. Very, very dark energy, Capricorn. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life. But it is not a difficult, it is not a easy for you. It is very difficult for you, Capricorn. Because future 10 of Swords, Queen of Cups, and 2 of Cups. Yeah, it's a mutual love, but there is no stability. You have strong emotions for your person. Still you have strong emotions. And 10 of Swords energy. You are very tired and your energy is totally drained. But some part of you still wanting this person in your life. I think even though you want to move on from this person, but some part of you still wanting this person in your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 9 of Wands, 4 of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Magician. Yeah, for some, maybe your person is a manipulator, player, but they wanna communicate with you. They wanna give some clarity to you. Right now, your person missing you, but they are not showing their emotions. They are guarded up right now. Maybe for some, third party involved in this connection. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions towards you, Capricorn. Their current feelings and intentions. they really, they want second chances with you. They spying you a lot, and they started listening to their intuition, but they are not expressing. I think your person loves you, but they are not expressing their feelings. They really want to offer commitment, and they want stability in this connection, but they're holding back right now. They are unable to talk. Maybe a family issue here could be, but they do love you. It's a mutual love, and they want second chances, but they are not expressing. So let's see their intentions, Capricorn. It is a spiritual connection between both of you. Seven of Swords, Knight of Swords. Communication is coming, Knight of Wands. Yes, this person is always in and out of your life. There is no stability. Always, this is on and off connection. So, again, they're coming back. Again, they want to communicate with you. They're interested to talk with you. But again, the red flag is here, Seven of Swords and the Devil card. So, for some, this person is really toxic for you. If you know that they're putting you in waiting or they're putting you in third party situation, it is better to walk away. And your person is very independent person. Right now they're suffering in silence because in past there is no stability in this connection. But they are very attracted to you. They're very attracted to you, Capricorn. Knight of Wands energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Four of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I think lots of you are in no contact situation. This time they're really thinking about equal give and take and partnership with you. Yeah, they are suffering in silence and they're very attracted and they're very passionate about you. I think in past there is no partnership between you and your person. I think they are always putting you in waiting, and you are going through a lot when you are with this person. Anxiety, depression, you don't like this energy. Yes, they always keep putting you in waiting mode. Yes, you fed up with this energy, Capricorn. You started listening to your intuition and you overcome this energy, and you will be in this energy near future. Emotionally independent. Very beautiful energy. So let's see mutual. Two cards I'm not taking, but patience is the key. Temperance is there. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Yes, I think one person is waiting on the other person, and for some there is a communication is coming to fix the things between both of you, and for some you decided to walk away but they're still waiting on you. Yes, again the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Here patience is the key, but you are on your power. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. A lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. I think for some ego, your person maybe have ego problems or they are immature. Options, mask, soulmates and retreat. So the messages are options, mask, soulmates and retreat. So yeah, for some maybe they're wearing mask, they're not expressing their true feelings to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. A time for healing. So if you are going through a lot right now in your life, it is a time for healing for you, Capricorn. And don't let your past hold you back. So if you are holding your past, this is the message for you. Leave your baggage, do meditation, heal yourself completely and move on. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.